Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Bluetooth FM transmitter for any vehicle, if that is a car or truck, with output 12 to 24 volt from JOYROOM, with 48 watt power delivery and quick charge 3, with an hazy dual microphone for clear hands-free calls. Well, let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. AUX 3.5mm cable. It is about 1 meter. Nice, I like it. I like the black and the gray graphite. It looks great. Now let's check the device. Here we have the dual microphone. CVC8 noise reduction technology blocks out more ROAD noise, wind noise and more. The bass button here, enjoy powerful deep bass and immersive stereo sound. The multifunction button, rotate knob and you can press a button. At the side we have the previous and the next button. Here it is the light button. The AUX port connection, no radio frequency required. Connect FM transmitter directly to the car AUX port with the AUX cable, here it is. And then that you can connect it at your car and listen music from the USB flash drive. Here you can install a USB flash drive, or from your smartphone with Bluetooth connectivity 5.3 version without interruptions, without using the radio frequency. I like that. Or you can connect this device via unused FM station at your car, and again you can listen to music from your smartphone via Bluetooth or from the flash drive. Nice. And of course we have the quick charging port 3 with an output 18 watt and the Type-C port power delivery output 30 watt. Supports Samsung super fast charging and iPod Pro, iPhone, Google, Huawei, Xiaomi and more devices. If that is a smartphone or a tablet, you can charge any device here. I like it, it looks great, it is small, compact and definitely it will fit perfect at my car. Well, let's plug it in here at my adapter. Ooh, nice, I like the light around. Bluetooth is flashing. You have the frequency, I like the display, and at the night it looks amazing. I like the illumination. And you can just press the button, turn off the light, turn on. Now let's connect this Bluetooth FM transmitter with my car audio system. I will use this portable FM station. I need to have the same frequency here and here. Later I will show you and at my car. For now, my viewers, just to see how it works the device. Press and hold this button. It's flashing. Adjust the frequency with this knob. Perfect. 107.8. Connected. Now let's connect on my smartphone. Bluetooth connection. JRCL17 pair. There's the sound. Press this button. Resume the music. Adjust the volume. Previous next song. Bass on, off, someone is calling, just press this button. And now you can hear my voice through the microphone of this Bluetooth FM transmitter, clear sound. I was talking with a friend on my car and the communication was very clear. Definitely the dual microphones gives you better quality sound, without any background noise. Of course, car windows was off. It helps me to have better communication since there is no hands-free, is on speaker. And off. Or you can just connect a flash drive and automatically start playing the song. So fast to adjust the music, the track, the volume. Off, on. And to go at the Bluetooth mode, just press and hold the bass button. Bluetooth mode. Resume again. So it's fast to choose between the flash drive and the Bluetooth mode. USB it says. Pause. Resume. I like it. And of course you can charge your smartphone. Bluetooth mode. Connect your smartphone at the Type-C. Super fast charging 8%. Wow! 1 hour and 13 minutes until fully charged. I like it. So fast. And of course you can charge and your power bank, other devices, other smartphones. Super fast charging again. Wow. 2 devices simultaneously are super fast charging. I can see the green light here, that means it's super fast charging. Same time it takes to charge with the Samsung power adapter 45 watt. Another great product from JOYROOM. They have so many products, you can check down below the description. There is a link. Click it and find more information and where you can buy it. In the past I have made other videos, maybe something you like, just check my videos. And if you like the product, just buy it. Thumbs up, great charging time. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.